Good afternoon, everyone. I am Junji Iracho. Are you ready for our discussion for today? If you're ready, without the further ado, let's go.
Our topic for today is language teaching and learning strategies for writing. We all have struggled with writing. Yes, it is true that writing may be considered as one of the most complex among the macro skills because beyond the need of the writer to express his thought and emotion in words, the skills also require other elements in writing such as accuracy in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. So, in this lesson, we will focus on the teaching of emergent writing for emergent writers. Emergent writing, according to Virginiers 2009, involves the act of producing physical marks, mechanics of the meanings attributed to those marks, composition, and the understanding on how written language works, orthographic knowledge. Before we discuss the different strategies that you can adopt in teaching writing for mother tongue, it is equally important that you are fully aware of emergent stage in writing. And now let's proceed to the first stage of emergent writing, drawing and imitative writing. The child attempts to communicate through scribble and imitate grown-up writing. So, when a child starts to draw, it is essential milestone in their cognitive and creative growth. Initially, their drawing are often scribble or random lines without any recognizable shape or object. So this stage is crucial because indicate that the child exploring their creativity and understanding of the world around them. So magsuyat kibalyon sila nan kuam ng mga letter pero jumbled ra lagi, and as they progress may start to draw a simple shape, no, like magkuan sila like mga words pero scribble out, mga scribble mga jumble like that. So drawing helps children to express themselves visually, develop fine motor skills, and improve hand-eye coordination. Look at the example below. So, ang bata is nagsundog siya ng mga tao, then ang ijakuan letter is nagjumble-jumble pa. Ya pakibali mo amo. And now, let's proceed to the next stage, copying words. The child copies from familiar resources like books, poster, and words wall. When a child copies words, it means they are imitating written words they see around them, such as in the books, poster, or world walls. This action is essential part of their learning journey, as it helps them to familiar themselves with the written language and understand the relationship between spoken and written words. So look at the picture below. So di ba amura siya nagkuris-kuris ra kay amura gyud nagcopy kun unoy masuyat sa libro, amo siya ay kibali dya kopyahon, pero murag kuris-kuris ra kibali dinhi kibali nag-start an ila kuan pag uno nila pagsuyat. And now, let's proceed to the next stage, drawing and string of letter. The child writes random letters have no relationship to the sounds. This drawing and string of letters likely represent an early stage of the child's development in both writing and artistic expression. At this point, the child may not fully understand the connection between letters and their corresponding sound, which is crucial aspect of learning to read and write is the most languages. So, diri dya example is ocean, pero pagkuan dyan siya is ocean. Let's proceed to the next stage, early phonetic writing. The child writes to represents words and sounds. Early phonetic writing refers to the stage in a child's development when they begin to represent words and sounds using letters, often focusing more on consonant than the vowels. This stage is essential part of their language and literacy development. So diri kun ano ila mabatian, amura sa ila masuyat kibali makabayo na sila mo kuanan letter mo spelling kun ano ila mabati or ano ila makita. Kabayo na sila musundog. The next is phonetic writing.
The child writes words using letters to represent each sound that is heard. So look at the example below. Si balik kung makabati sila nan pag the object or the kuan is mouse. So makasuyat na sila ng mouse, dog, and cat. Or makabati sila ng the words cat or dog, ma-drawing na dyan nila, sanan masuyat na nila kung ano dyan na word. The last stage is conventional writing. The writing show an emerging voice of the writer. This means is describing the process of the child learning to write using phonetics, where they focus on a topic, attempt to use correct words and structure, and in the process, where writing begins to show their own style and character. Look at the picture below. Nag-draw siya ng heart, then nagpudang na siya ng I love you, pero di pa karadyo kun kuan in the letter. Pero ija gapon tagkuan, kaya di rin magapon magsugod ang bata para makabuos siya ng words. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.